Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you a couple of ways of how you can actually increase your internet speed on a Windows 10 laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So I've been getting a lot of questions from some of you guys asking if there's any way to sort of speed up your internet. You could find it's going quite slow. So I've been doing some digging around and I've found a couple of options, a couple of things you can do. So I'm just going to go through those now. So the first option is to download a program which is called CCleaner. And if you go onto Google, you can actually download this. It's completely free. It is free. There is a pro version you can download as well, but to use a basic one, it's completely free. And once that's downloaded, all you need to do is open up the program and it can run a free health check, which is going to basically scan your PC and it's going to sort of optimize it and find any files or anything that's unusable, things that are slowing down your PC or internet. And you'll have the option to go ahead and remove them. You can see the progress bar goes along and then it gets to this section here which is actually locked and it says Pro, which is basically a paid version which you get basically more features on. But the free version, I've been using it now for I'd say about a month or two, and to be honest, it's very good, for a free program. So you can see it's come up and it says your PC feels under the weather. And you can see down here it's found a load of things. So it's got privacy 1,500, 15,000 trackers to remove, 12,000 megabytes of junk to remove, and speed, free startup apps to disable, free apps to update. These two are locked to the pro version, but I can still go ahead and use some of the features. So I can click make it better. And what that's going to do is basically remove the trackers, it's going to remove the junk, and that's going to speed up my PC slightly. If I come down to this next option, custom clean, you'll see what you can do is actually, so it's got my applications. I've got my Firefox, Google Chrome, Brave, which is an internet browser. You've got Spotify, there's a load of applications. And then it's got the Windows kind of application, like your system, etc., etc. And what you can do is just clear up your internet cache, your internet history, internet files, things like that. And you just hit this button down here to run the cleaner. It doesn't take too long. I'm not going to do it today on the video. But yeah, basically, if you run that cleaner, it's going to clear up some space from your internet applications from sort of Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, that kind of thing. And that's going to also boost your internet. So that's one way. I mean, it's completely free. It says here, free for home use. It's a great program. I highly recommend it. Now, there is another way, which is a little bit more technical. And what that is to use something called an Open DNS server. Basically, what a DNS is, it stands for Domain Name Server. And every internet provider has their own domain name server. But if you change that to an Open DNS, an Open Domain Name Server, it's actually easier for the internet to read. So it's kind of like making, I don't know, say you've got a book with really small words, it's going to take you longer to read that than a book with really big words. So that's kind of an analogy for how it works. But if you wanted to try that method as well, what you need to do is come down and click. First of all, you need to find your Wi-Fi connection button down here in the taskbar. So mine's there. And we're just going to go right click and open network and internet settings. So once you get to the screen, what you need to do is look at the menu on the left hand side and you want to click onto Wi-Fi, this one here. And then from here, you need to look on the right hand side and you need to click onto this one here, which says Network and Sharing Center. So this is going to open up a new window. And then from here, you need to click onto your internet connection here. And what you want to do from here is just come down and click onto Properties. So what's going to happen, this is going to load up the Wi-Fi properties page, and what you need to do is look for this one here, which says ICE Internet Protocol version 4. Go ahead and give that a click, and then click onto Properties. So from here, you can see it's configured at the moment to obtain an IP address automatically. And what we need to do is come down and click this option here, which says use the following DNS server addresses. And then what you can do is go ahead and type your preferred OpenDNS server in there. So what you need to type in there, I've got one up for you if you want to use this one. And it's this one at the top here, which is 208. So I'm going to type this in. So 208.67.2. Let's try that again, sorry. 208.67.222.222. And where it says alternative DNS server underneath, you need to type 208. This is this number here, by the way. So 208 and then 67 and then 220.220. And then click OK. And then if we want to test that, what I'm going to do is just come back onto my home screen. Let's close this down. And I'm just going to go ahead and test the speed now. So I'm going to click onto Google Chrome. And you'll see that's loading up relatively fast. So that's basically changed it to an OpenDNS server. Try the CCleaner as well, and I'd highly recommend, if you do get a CCleaner, what I do, I normally run that once a week just to keep my internet space free. But in addition to that, if you wanted to speed it up even more, you can use this second method, using an OpenDNS, and that's going to speed your internet up as well. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.